In this video, you will learn how to delete a Google document and then how to recover a deleted document. This is a document, this can be deleted from within inside the document, and this can also be deleted from Google Drive. So I am currently in Google Documents, as you can see, and I can delete this document by going into File and move to Trash. But before I do that, I want to show you, this is my Google Drive and Google Docs is associated with this drive. This is the trash folder. So whenever you delete a document, whether from inside the document or from here in the drive, it goes into this trash folder. Then you have 30 days to recover this document, which is called restoring the document. And if you don't restore this document after 30 days, then this document will be permanently deleted. So now we see how we can delete a document from within the document. So just File and move to Trash, and it will show you this dialog box. Now if you click Go to Docs home screen, then the document will move to Trash. And if you take out of Trash, if you click on that, then the document will not be trashed and there will be no change in the status of the document. But at this time I want this document to be deleted, so therefore I will click on Go to Documents home screen, and now this document has been deleted. As you can see that this document is no more in this area. And now if I click on Trash, now as you can see that now this document is in the trash, and there are some other documents, one document and two folders which I have deleted at some stage before this document. Now if I want to recover this document or restore this document, so what I need to do is click on this document and then right click, and I will see two options, either to restore or to delete forever. So if I click on restore, the document will be restored back, and if you click delete forever, then the document will be gone forever. Now if for some reason you delete this forever and then you realize that this document was important, then the only way for you to try to restore this document is by contacting Google support. And if you contact Google support immediately, as soon as you delete this forever, chances are you might get your document back. But if it's a long period, then you might not get your document back. But anyways, if I delete this forever, it's gone forever, because there is no guarantee that you will get it back from Google support. And now I want to restore this. So I restore this, and now the document has been restored. As you can see, you will get a message at the bottom, restored lesson 1. Now after I refreshed, I can see that my document is available in my docs. And if I go to Google Drive, and now I can click on this document and I can again get access to this document. I can edit it or whatever I like. So this is how you can delete or restore a document.